In this video, I'll show you how to connect Eero to Spectrum router. So you can do that to improve, as example, the Wi-Fi coverage, mesh networking, dead zones, device roaming, and basically what you'll have to do is basically plug both of them into the power and plug one end into a LAN port. Basically, you'll need to use an Ethernet cable, and you'll need to plug one end to the router and one end to the Eero. So one to the Spectrum router and one to the Eero device. So your router, your Spectrum router, will give internet to the Eero device. And of course, if you only have a Spectrum modem, not a router, you can connect the Eero directly to the modem instead. So once you do that, you'll need to go now to your phone and install the Eero application. Open the app and sign in or create an account if you don't have an account. And basically, you'll have to go through the setting up. So you'll have to start the Eero setup. Inside the app, you'll need to set up the Eero network, follow the instructions. They are very easy to follow. And the app should detect the Spectrum connection automatically. So once you do that, or once you go through all that, you should be done. And you just have to create then your Wi-Fi network. You'll have to choose a Wi-Fi name or SSID and the password, and your devices now should connect, or of course you should connect now to this Wi-Fi, to the Wi-Fi distributed using Eero network afterwards. Of course, you can also add your extra Eero units if you want to. If you have more Eero devices, you can place them around the house if it's too big, if you want to cover other areas, and add them throughout the app as well. You'll need to go to the app and add them. Of course, once you add it to the app, any device, make sure you're near it. And this should create normally for you some mesh network. And just an optional thing, if you want to, make sure to go to the Spectrum Wi-Fi and use the bridge mode. And basically, this will avoid any double NAT or NAT, any Wi-Fi conflicts, or any device issues. You can disable the Spectrum Wi-Fi or put the Spectrum Wi-Fi and bridge mode if supported. And this will solve, oh, it's not an issue, but it's an annoying thing to deal with, as example, especially for visitors. They'll keep asking you if they should connect to this Wi-Fi, and stuff like that. So it's basically better to disable it or set it as a bridge mode. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.